The Chrysler, Dodge, Plymouth Neon is a compact car introduced in January 1994 for the model year 1995 by Chrysler's Dodge and Plymouth divisions. It was offered in 2- and 4-door body styles over 2 generations until its production ended in 2005. The Neon first appeared as a concept car in 1991 under the Dodge brand, designed by Chrysler designers who had joined the company from Chrysler's buyout of American Motors in 1987. The concept showcased sliding suicide doors and some resemblance to the production vehicle. The first generation of the Neon was manufactured from January 1994 to August 1999. It was available as a 4-door notchback sedan and a 2-door notchback coupe. Engine options included SOHC and DOHC versions of Chrysler's 2.0 L 4-cylinder engine with different power outputs. Transaxle options included a 3-speed torque-flight automatic or a 5-speed manual. The Neon was sold as a Dodge and a Plymouth in the United States and Canada, as Dodge and Chrysler in Mexico, and as the Chrysler Neon in Europe, Australia, and other export markets. It gained attention for its appearance, price, and power, outperforming many competitors in the market. The Neon had unconventional option availability, such as the lack of power windows in the rear doors and certain color base model Neons with bumper covers molded in color instead of painted. Initially offered in bold colors, paint choices became more subdued in later model years. Different models were available in various markets. For example, the Australian market had SE and LX models, while in Europe the car was available with a 1.8L engine and received a limited edition model called the CS. Special models like the American Club Racer and Road Track were introduced. The ACR featured performance upgrades for racing, while the RT offered comfort and convenience features for street use. Overall, the Dodge Neon was a popular compact car known for its distinctive styling and performance, gaining recognition in various markets around the world.